In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D perspective text in Canva. This is a simple yet effective way to add depth and dimension to your designs, all done within just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First up, open Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's a straightforward process to get started. Just head over to Canva's website, sign up with your email, and you're ready to go. For those of you who have Canva installed on your device, simply launch the application. The user-friendly interface will greet you, making it easy to jump right into your creative project. Next, create a new design. Canva offers a plethora of predefined sizes such as social media posts, presentations, and more. Choose the format that fits your project needs or opt for a custom dimension if you have a specific size in mind. This will give you a blank canvas to work on. After setting up your design, think about the background. You can choose either a solid color or a gradient depending on the style you're going for. A solid color might give a sleek, minimalist look, whereas a gradient can add a bit of flair and complexity. Whatever you choose, make sure it complements your text and doesn't overshadow it. Now, let's head over to the Apps section in Canva. This is where the magic happens. In the left sidebar, you'll find an option for apps and integrations. Click on it, and a world of creative possibilities will unfold. Once you're there, use the search bar to find Typecraft. This tool is perfect for adding that 3D perspective effect to your text. A quick search will lead you right to it, and then it's just a matter of diving in. Now, type the text you want to transform. Think about words or phrases that could really pop with the 3D effect. Enter them, and let's get ready to choose an effect that suits your style. The next part is fun, picking the perfect 3D effect. Typecraft provides various options, each offering a unique aesthetic. Whether you want a subtle shadow or a more pronounced three-dimensional look, this is where your creativity can shine. Once you've selected your desired effect, click on Add to Design. This will seamlessly integrate the effect into your canvas, making it easy to adjust and move around as needed. Finally, position your text on the slide. Click and drag it to the spot that best showcases your creation. You might want to play around with different placements to see where it fits best, ensuring it's balanced and visually appealing within your overall design. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created eye-catching 3D perspective text in Canva. Whether it's for a poster, a social media post, or a presentation, this technique can add just the right touch of depth and interest. Happy designing!